So we're about 21 kilometers now from Vang Vieng? Vang Vieng. Yeah, something like that. That's that'll be the next homestay. And I came upon this Yufa Home Restaurant and Coffee. Yeah, they're on Facebook. So let's just take a walk around this place. It's really something. One thing, you notice the view. Incredible. And they got this dude here. There's your welcoming committee. I mean, you know, kudos to the welder and the artist who made it. There's their big sign, yeah. And just do a little browse through the restaurant. Here's your to-go stuff. It is a full-service restaurant, and they actually do make coffee here. Don't just you know, pour the powder mix in. And stir it up. They got beans. They got espresso. 30,000 kip. I mean, a decent price. Not sure what this is about. Maybe they got alligators that they you taunt when you're out there. I don't know. Probably not. Yeah, it's really something. I haven't seen a business like this in Laos since I got to Luang Prabang. Of course, the day started off with a nice rain shower. Washed the sweat off me. Bike is holding up well. I re-waxed the chain this morning. I had to replace a bottle cage, the one that I bought in wherever that was, Pitsanulak? I think it was. And anyway, it broke, so I had to ditch it and go with one that came with the bike, the plastic Bontrager. But yeah, this is really quite an establishment. Porcelain urinals, hey? Come on. After you've gotten used to pit toilets, it's pretty fancy. Okay, let's press on.